How to turn on PS5. So first of all, on your TV or monitor, you'll want to go to the HDMI section. So you'll want to press the source button. I'll show you what that looks like on most remote controls in a minute, but most of you will know you need to go to the HDMI section, or if you're on a Samsung TV like this, you'll want to scroll along until you see the PlayStation section here. Then you want to click on that, or go directly on your actual remote control here and click on source, then go to the HDMI section, then make sure you've got the PS5 option, whichever HDMI version that is. Then once you're on that section where you're supposed to be, you'll want to go to your controller and then simply just press and hold the PlayStation logo until you see the blue lights pop up, and that's going to go on to the process of turning on your PlayStation 5, and then you have to wait for around about 5 to 15 seconds before it fully turns on. Then you'll be able to play your games and do whatever you want on your PlayStation 5. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.